Hello everyone, and welcome to week 4's assignments and agendas. So for next week, the first thing I want you to do is, I think I may have told you to do it on Thursday, bring it Thursday as well, but if you have a book and want to bring it on Tuesday, that would be great. So look for a read aloud book. Number 2, it says here to prepare for our discussion on Tuesday that you're going to be creating a chart. Click here and putting it in your notebook. When you open up the chart, you'll see here that the first article is Reading with a Writer's Eye, Why Book Choice Matters. You'll be picking a new idea and why this matters for readers and writers, and what impact it is for adding diverse text. Make a connection. How does this connect with what you have seen, read, or experienced before? Step 2 is to look in our book for the class, The Writing Teacher's Companion, chapters 14 to 20. What's a new idea that stands out to you that connects between readers and writers, readers and writing? What's a quote that inspired you and why? And number 3, there's a video. Watch the video, and how does this connect to chapter 14, Conferring with Young Writers? What stands out to you as you consider how this young writer is supported? Be sure to specifically refer to the learning in chapter 14. So the link in the assignments here for Sunday is right here for the Reading with a Writer's Eye, Why Book Choice Matters. The Writing Conversations video is right here. When the chart is complete, here's the submission link to submit all of that chart. Just take a photo and submit that there. All right, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in class on Tuesday. Bye.